Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery on your Infiniti G37 key fob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task can be done quickly, usually in just a few minutes, and will restore full functionality to your key fob. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open up the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side of the fob where the two halves meet. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert it into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components. The goal is to open it without forcing anything. With the fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is important for correct installation of the new one. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards, just like the old one was. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and gently press them back together until you hear a satisfying click, confirming it's securely closed. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Now, test your newly re-energized key fob with your Infiniti G37 to ensure everything is working perfectly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.